To prepare for the U.S. citizenship test, you'll need to study the 100 civics questions provided by the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. During your naturalization interview, you'll be asked up to 10 of these questions and must correctly answer at least 6 to pass. Let's explore some key questions about the U.S. Constitution. First, what is the supreme law of the land? The answer is the Constitution. Next, what does the Constitution do? It sets up the government, defines the government, and protects basic rights of Americans. Now, the idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We, the people. Moving on, what is an amendment? It's a change to the Constitution or an addition to the Constitution. Lastly, what do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? They are known as the Bill of Rights. Now let's delve into the principles of American democracy. What is the economic system in the United States? It's a capitalist economy, also known as a market economy. What is the rule of law? It means that everyone must follow the law, leaders must obey the law, the government must obey the law, and no one is above the law. Name one branch or part of the government. You could say Congress, the legislative branch, the president, the executive branch, or the courts, the judicial branch. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? The answer is checks and balances, along with the separation of powers. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The president. Who makes federal laws? That would be Congress, including the Senate and House of Representatives, also referred to as the U.S. or national legislature. Finally, what are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress? They are the Senate and House of Representatives. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Name your U.S. representative. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All people of the state. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because of the state's population, they have more people. Some states have more people. We elect a president for how many years? 4. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Speaker of the House. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? The president. Who signs bills to become laws? The president. Who vetoes bills? The president. What does the president's cabinet do? Advises the president. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Secretary of Agriculture, Secretary of Commerce, Secretary of Defense, etc. What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws, explains laws, resolves disputes, decides if a law goes against the Constitution. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? To print money, to declare war, to create an army, to make treaties. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Provide schooling and education, provide protection, police, provide safety, fire departments, give a driver's license, approve zoning and land use. Who is the governor of your state now? What is the capital of your state? What are the 2 major political parties in the United States, Democratic and Republican? What is the political party of the president now? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Citizens 18 and older can vote. You don't have to pay a poll tax to vote. Any citizen can vote. Women and men can vote. A male citizen of any race can vote. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Serve on a jury. Vote in a federal election. Name one right only for United States citizens. Vote in a federal election. Run for federal office.